At 25, your biggest financial problem isn't not making enough money. It's thinking you have unlimited time to fix your mistakes later. Welcome back. Today we're talking about the financial decisions at 25 that impact the rest of your life. This is the decade where habits are formed, income starts growing, and decisions quietly shape your entire financial future. The good news: you don't need to be rich at 25. The bad news: what you do at 25 matters more than you think. Let's break down the key financial decisions you face at 25. Number 1. Stop waiting for later. Let's talk about one of the biggest financial traps at 25, waiting for later. Later is when people say they'll start saving. Later is when they'll start investing. Later is when they'll finally get serious about money. But here's the problem: later never feels like the right time. At 25, it's easy to believe you have plenty of time. So small decisions get delayed. Building habits gets postponed. Financial planning gets ignored. And slowly, years pass without progress. The truth is, later is just another word for not now. And financially, that delay is expensive. Because time is one of the most powerful tools in building wealth. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow, and the more room you have to correct mistakes. Waiting doesn't keep you safe. It keeps you behind. Starting now doesn't mean you need to do everything perfectly. It means you begin building momentum. Even small steps, saving a little, investing a little, learning a little, add up over time. Because financial success at 25 is not about doing everything at once. It's about refusing to delay the things that matter. So instead of asking, when should I start? Ask, what can I start today? Because later is where financial progress goes to disappear. Number 2. Build your emergency fund. This is one of the most underrated financial goals at 25, building your emergency fund. It's not flashy. It won't make you feel rich. But it might be the most important financial safety net you ever create. An emergency fund is money set aside for life's unexpected moments: job loss, medical bills, car repairs, or anything that suddenly disrupts your income. At 25, many people skip this step because nothing bad has happened yet. But that's exactly the risk. You don't build it after an emergency, you build it before. Without an emergency fund, every unexpected expense becomes debt. Credit cards, loans, financial stress. One problem turns into a chain reaction. But with an emergency fund, you stay in control. Start small. You don't need a huge amount immediately. The goal is to build momentum. Even a few months of expenses saved can give you breathing room and confidence. The key is consistency. Set aside a portion of your income regularly, just like a bill you must pay. Because this fund isn't about growth, it's about protection. It protects your investments, your goals, and your peace of mind. And at 25, stability is what allows everything else you build to actually last. So before chasing returns, build your safety. Because financial freedom starts with financial security. Number 3. Focus on income growth. One of the most important financial moves at 25, focusing on income growth. A lot of people at this age focus too much on saving money. Cutting expenses, budgeting tightly, trying to stretch every dollar. And while that helps, there's a limit to how far it can take you. Because you can only save so much, but you can earn a lot more. Income growth is what changes your financial ceiling. It gives you more room to save, invest, and build wealth faster. At 25, your biggest advantage is time. You still have years ahead to increase your skills, gain experience, and position yourself for higher-paying opportunities. That might mean improving your current job performance, learning new skills, switching industries, or building side income streams. It doesn't matter which path you take, the goal is the same: increase your earning power. And here's the key: when your income goes up, your lifestyle shouldn't automatically follow. If expenses rise with income, nothing changes. But if you keep your spending stable and invest the difference, your financial progress accelerates. Because saving alone builds slowly. But higher income combined with discipline builds momentum. At 25, your focus shouldn't just be on managing money, it should be on expanding it. Because income growth is what fuels everything else. Number 4. Avoid lifestyle inflation. Let's talk about one of the fastest ways people at 25 destroy their financial progress: lifestyle inflation. This is what happens when your spending rises every time your income rises. You get a raise, a better job, or extra income, and suddenly your lifestyle upgrades with it. Nicer apartment, new car, more food delivery, more subscriptions. It feels like progress. But financially, nothing really changes. Because if your expenses grow at the same speed as your income, you never actually get ahead. You're just moving your lifestyle up and down without building any real wealth. At 25, this trap is especially dangerous because your income is likely to increase over time. And every increase becomes an opportunity, but only if you don't waste it. The key is to create a gap between what you earn and what you spend. That gap is what you use to save, invest, and build your future. A simple rule helps. When your income goes up, your investing should go up first, not your lifestyle. You don't need to live poorly. You just need to be intentional. Upgrade slowly, not automatically. Because real financial progress doesn't come from earning more and spending more. It comes from earning more and keeping more. And at 25, that difference compounds into everything you build later. Number 5. Start investing early. One of the most powerful financial advantages you have at 25 is start to invest early. Most people delay investing because they think they need a lot of money first. So they wait. They wait for higher income, more savings, or the right time. But in reality, the biggest advantage in investing is not the amount, it's time. Starting early gives your money more years to grow. Even small investments can build significant wealth if given enough time to compound. At 25, you don't need to be perfect. You don't need to invest large amounts. You just need to start the habit. Because investing is not a one-time decision, it's a long-term process. The earlier you begin, the more cycles of growth your money goes through. And here's what most people miss: waiting doesn't make investing easier. It just makes it more expensive later. You'll need to invest more money in less time to catch up. Starting early also builds confidence. You learn how markets work, how emotions affect decisions, and how consistency matters more than timing. The goal is not to get rich overnight. The goal is to give your money enough time to grow alongside you. Because at 25, your biggest financial asset is time. And investing early is how you use it. Number 6. Learn financial basics. Let's talk about something most people at 25 underestimate: learning financial basics. It doesn't sound exciting. It doesn't feel like it will make you rich. But skipping it is one of the fastest ways to make expensive mistakes. Financial basics are simple things: how budgeting works, how credit works, how investing works, and how debt actually affects your future. The problem is many people learn these lessons the hard way, through overdrafts, credit card debt, or years of missed investing opportunities. At 25, you have a huge advantage: time to learn before mistakes become too costly. Understanding budgeting helps you control your money instead of wondering where it went. Understanding credit helps you avoid debt traps. Understanding investing helps you start building wealth instead of just working for income. You don't need to become an expert overnight. You just need to understand the fundamentals well enough to make informed decisions. Because without financial basics, even a good income can disappear quickly. But with them, even a modest income can grow steadily over time. Think of it like learning the rules of the game before you play seriously. And the earlier you learn, the more confident and effective your financial decisions become. Because at 25, financial success doesn't start with money. It starts with understanding how money actually works. Number 7. Eliminate bad debt. This is absolutely one of the most important financial moves at 25, eliminating bad debt. Not all debt is the same, but bad debt is the kind that works against you. High-interest credit cards, personal loans with heavy rates, and anything that grows faster than your ability to pay it off. At first, it doesn't feel dangerous. You make minimum payments, you manage your bills, and life continues. But behind the scenes, interest is quietly eating away at your progress. Because every dollar you owe in high-interest debt is a dollar that's not building your future. It's money working against you instead of for you. At 25, eliminating this type of debt should be a priority. Not because it's easy, but because it frees up your future income. Once bad debt is gone, your money finally has room to move forward. You can save more, invest more, and build momentum without constant financial pressure. The key is to focus aggressively on paying it down. Reduce spending where possible, increase payments when you can, and avoid adding new unnecessary debt. Because staying in debt keeps you stuck in a cycle of payments and interest. But eliminating it gives you something powerful: control. And at 25, control over your money is what allows everything else you build to actually grow. Number 8. Build consistent habits. One of the most powerful financial advantages you can build at 25 is consistent habits. Most people think financial success comes from big decisions. A big investment, a big salary jump, or a big break. But in reality, wealth is built through small actions repeated consistently over time. At 25, your habits matter more than your income. Because income can change. Opportunities can come and go. But habits determine what you do with every dollar you earn. A consistent habit might look simple: saving a small percentage of your income every month, investing regularly, tracking your spending, avoiding unnecessary debt. None of these feel dramatic in the moment, but over time they build structure. And structure is what creates financial progress. The challenge is not starting. Most people can start something for a week or a month. The challenge is continuing even when it feels slow or boring. Because financial success is not built in bursts of motivation. It's built in repetition. You don't need perfect habits. You need repeatable ones. At 25, consistency is your biggest advantage because time is on your side. Every repeated action has years to compound. So focus less on doing everything perfectly and more on doing the right things regularly. Because consistent habits today become financial freedom tomorrow. Number 9. Think long-term. This is one of the most important steps that carries you forward, which is to have the proper mindset. At 25, the importance of thinking long-term is too underestimated. At this age, it's easy to focus on the present. What you can buy now, what you can enjoy now, what feels good right now. And there's nothing wrong with enjoying life. But if every decision is short-term focused, your financial future stays limited. Thinking long-term means asking a different question. Not just what do I want today, but where will this decision take me in 5, 10, or 20 years? At 25, time is your biggest advantage. Small actions today can grow into something significant over time, but only if you stay consistent and patient. That's why long-term thinking changes everything. It helps you prioritize saving over impulse spending, investing over speculation, building skills over chasing quick wins. It also helps you stay calm during financial ups and downs, because you're not focused on short-term noise, you're focused on long-term direction. Most financial mistakes happen when people think too short-term. They chase immediate rewards and ignore future consequences. But wealth is built by people who delay gratification just long enough for time to do its work. Because at 25, your financial decisions are not just about today. They are shaping the next decade of your life. And long-term thinking is what keeps you moving in the right direction. Financial goals at 25 are not about having everything figured out. They are about building direction, discipline, and consistency. Start small, stay patient, and focus on habits that compound over time. Every smart decision today shapes your financial future. Keep going, stay focused, and let time work in your favor. Hope you find this helpful. If you want more real-world finance strategies that actually work long-term, click like and subscribe and stay consistent. See you in the next video.